Welcome back to our series of metrics for website analytics. We continue with bounce rate and session duration. To understand how visitors interact with your website, check the bounce rate of your site. It will show you the percentage of visitors that close your website after seeing only one page. There are 4 ways of leaving the website that count as bounces. Hitting the X button to close the page, clicking the back button in the browser, writing the URL of another website in the browser tab, or just becoming idle, staying on the page for a long time without any action. No matter the page they landed on, if any of these happen without a visit to any other web page on your site, they will be counted as visitors that bounced. You must look into this and find out why your visitors lost interest. In general, you should strive to encourage visitors to navigate your site and therefore keep the bounce rate down. There may be exceptions to this rule, however, like websites that only consist of one page with a lot of scrolling. Obviously there, the bounce rate would be very high, because there's only one page to navigate to. A low session duration is also a sign that the user experience on your site may need some improvement, so look into that as well, combined with the information from the bounce rate stat.